Microsoft is raising its prices again, this time by 9%. So your Microsoft Office products, the price you pay monthly, will go up by 9% from the 1st of April. They raised the prices last year by 20%. There's a video that you can see that we did here last year about that. Now, they hadn't raised the prices last year for 6 years before that, so it kind of caught up with inflation. But this year it's going to be 9%. And what do you know? UK inflation is about 9%. That's not why they're doing it. They're doing it so they can equalise prices across all of the markets, the US, Europe and the UK, etc. But nevertheless, prices are going up 9%. So speak to your account manager at BTP if you want more information, or if you're not with us, speak to your IT company